Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sakshi Aggarwal, and in case you are new here, then I make videos on makeup, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs. And today is a makeup video. I am going to show you guys this look I have done in literally 2 minutes. This is my go-to makeup routine, like 2 minutes makeup routine you can say. And I wear this look almost every time, like every day of my life. I wear the minimal makeup person here, even chic makeup you like. So do watch this video till the end and you will find some amazing on how you can groom yourself without putting too much of makeup. And yeah, do it well, please like kar dena, comment kar dena, share kar dena and subscribe karna to bilkul mat bhulna. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now I'm going to use a toner, and this is the gulab gel, like rose water. And you just have to spray 2 pump is enough, and उसके बाद थोड़ा डैप कर दो. And then I'm going to use my moisturizer. I'm going to use this moisturizer. So I just take this much of product. CTO is important no matter which look you are doing, like full face or everyday makeup. So now my face is prepped. I am going to use sunscreen. I am using this Acne UV Gel sunscreen. And CTM के बाद sunscreen लगाना मत भूलना, क्योंकि obviously आपको बाहर जाना है तभी आप मेकअप करो. And बाहर जाने के लिए and if you are going out then sunscreen is important. So moving on to next step, जो ये वाला step है, ये काफी लोग जो लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं, क्योंकि पहले मैं भी कर देती थी. मुझे लगता है इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट इससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. योर मेकअप गेम कैन गो फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर इफ द ब्राउज आर पॉप. आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्यूटी आईब्रो पेंसिल टू ग्रूम माय ब्राउज. एंड आपको ना एकदम परफेक्ट शेप पे कुछ भी लेनी, यू जस्ट हैव टू फिल इन नेचुरली. जो गैप्स हैं वो भर दो. So you can already see कि मेरी दोनों साइड की ज़्यादा अलग लग रही है just because of brows. मैंने भी फिल कराया है, अब मैं इसे मर्ज कर लूँगी. And you can see कितनी जल्दी और कितनी easily मेरी ये वाली brow हो गई है. So ऐसे ही I'm going to do my this one. And next I'm going to use concealer. You can see my brows are done. And next I'm going to use concealer. And I'm using this Maybelline Age Divine concealer. And if you're a foundation person, so you can totally go for foundation. I don't like foundation wearing, every day, so I skip it. But अगर आपको लगाना है तो please do that. मैं बस हल्का सा concealer लगाऊंगी. जहाँ यहाँ पे भी आपको लगता है कि ना आपको नीड है कंसीलर की, आप वहाँ लगा सकते हो. तो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर या फिर आप हाथ से भी ब्लेंड कर सकते हो, बट आई प्रेफरेबली लाइक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, क्योंकि एनीवेज आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी ब्रश. हम लोग क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर कवरेज देगा, मतलब आपका फेस थोड़ा ग्रूम लगेगा, बट ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने मेकअप कर रखा है. If you need more coverage, you can go for foundation, but I am okay with this, so I'm just going to set it with my compact. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. And आपको ये सेट कर लेना है जो भी आपने प्रोडक्ट लगाया है. After doing this compact, you will need some liquid blush, or you can say a tinted blush. I'm going to use this one. I use this as a lip balm and as a blush. मैं इसे दोनों की तरह यूज कर लेती हूँ. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this क्योंकि इसकी पिगमेंट काफी अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है. And now you will just blend it gradually. And you will see कितना tinted सा effect आया. So tinted blush हो गया, and now I'm going to use mascara for my lashes. So for everyday basis you don't have to put eyeshadow, but liner, kajal, mascara, it all depends on you. I like to apply mascara and kajal, and liner depends मुझे कहाँ जाना है. वैसे everyday में तो मैं नहीं लगाती. So mascara is done. But I will apply kajal, and I'll use this one. This is from Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Just a little. For this you have to apply some lipstick on your face, and I prefer to go for, it's an everyday base routine. So I'm using this one from Nykaa, and you guys must know this is my favorite shade. Shade is my khaki, and you can also recline your lips. So done with lipstick. And lastly, you can apply some highlighter if you want to, but I'm not feeling like it क्योंकि highlighter की इतनी कुछ भी ऐसी नीड नहीं है. डे रूटीन में आप highlighter तो ओपनली लगा सकते हो. So this is how my face looks like. So guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button, comment down below, and share your thoughts about this video. Do let me know about this background also, and if you changes very nicely. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.